I know it's been a while since I posted on here, but it's me, Classic Muscle 91. I have a video for you guys today. It's how to repair a climate vent on a 2000 BMW 528i. And I know it's been a while since I posted, so there's a lot that you guys probably have not caught on with. But I was super busy, so I apologize for not posting. I know it's been probably about 2 years now. But I do have a BMW that I've been working on. I haven't taken a lot of videos of it because a lot of them were stuff that I couldn't record at the current moment of time. But now, as you know, I finally got a video out for you guys to watch. It's a super easy fix. Maybe takes like maybe 5-10 minutes max. But it's super helpful in case if you do have a BMW and you had the problem that I was having. So I hope that this video is super helpful, super useful for you guys. If not, obviously, there's other people out there that have better videos than me. But thank you guys for staying, for all of you that have stayed. Sorry again for not posting, but I promise to be posting more often when I get the chance to. So anyway, I hope you guys like this video. If you do, please subscribe, leave a comment, like it. It doesn't matter. But anyway, see you guys later. Peace. What's up, everyone? So today I'm going to show you how to fix the climate vent on a 2000 BMW 528i. It's very simple. Sometimes it may not be, but if you have this issue, which I've had, and I have repaired it. So what happens is this vent, which has the 3 blue lines, you go up, 3 red lines, or red dots. So what happened was mine got stuck to the point where I couldn't go past this first blue dot. Now I can. I'm going to show you how to do that. Very simple. So, down here, you're going to find a black folder, something like a black folder, and you're going to pop it out. You still don't see it, who cares? Then, now I have a bunch of junk in this thing, so we're not going to be too worried about that, obviously. So, we're going to clean this out. Alright, cleaned out. Now there will be clips that these things hold on to. I don't have them, so I'm just going to pop that off. And the other one is going to be the same way. It also pops off. So before you do any of that, close it. And then right down here, right there, you got to remove these bolts because that's what's keeping this up for the whole glove box. So get I think it was an 11, 10, somewhere around there. I think it was 10. Yeah, it might be 10. Get a 10 and then take them off. All right, so grab your 10. I'm using the swivel one. It's just easier to get the bolts out. So, and if you're as tall as me, it's not very comfortable, but you're gonna have to do it. So let's get started with these bolts. Simple as just hook it in. Make sure you're the right way though. Alright, so just make sure you're the right way and alright, that one's done. Next one, which will be over here. And you just, sorry guys, I'm still recovering. There you go. Now you just pop this off. And there will be a little, oh, come on. There'll be a little fuse right here. You gotta unplug at some point. If it wants to even come unplugged. There you go. All right. Now, gotta get these screws out. There's only two of them that's holding this plastic up, okay? So grab your Phillips and just get to work on it. Now, for anyone, like I said, for anyone that's my height, it's comfortable just sitting on the ground at this point. Oops. You just get in there, and now you remove it. Now, here comes the fun part. I gotta get up here. So, that right there is that. Okay, so this cable is hooked up to that right there. So I'll show you. So I'm on the vent. See, it pushes it up and down. Now, what happens is this thing is in the way. I know. All right, let me try to get a better angle of this. All right, so what happens is sometimes that little, hang on. What happens is that little plastic piece right there with that screw will pop off this, and then this will stop working. Now, in order to obviously fix that, all you need is this. I have it right here. You're gonna need that. You're gonna need this one, and it fits perfectly in there. So you just remove those two pieces. Obviously, you got to pop that off. Use a flathead; it will come off easily. And then just put it back together. But right here, that little indent with a hole in it, that's the I guess pit arm that this little gear is hooked up to. Make sure those two are back together, and then there you go. You have fixed your Climate. So I hope that video was useful for you guys. And then obviously, you know, just putting everything back together is super simple, easy. Just be careful with that, because if you lose those screws, use a magnet, because it is a very tight space to get into. So use a magnet to collect those screws, and then when you put them back together, make sure your tool, such as this, is magnetic as well, so the screws stick right here. Then you can just, you know, screw it back in. But yeah, that's it. It's that easy of a fix for a 2000 BMW 528i to fix the Climate. Simple as that.